In the quiet of dawn, when the sky blushes with light, I see nature's canvas awaken, painted in hues so bright. Every ray of sunshine, every dew-kissed leaf sings a hymn of creation, a testament to belief. From the whispering winds to the roaring sea, every note of nature speaks of its love for me. Nature's praise echoes his eternal love in the song of the birds and the heavens above. Each petal, each stream, every breath of the earth declares the boundless beauty of his grace and worth. Through towering trees and meadows so green, I wander in awe at wonders rarely seen. The mountains stand firm, ancient and wise, guardians of secrets beneath endless skies. In every rustle of leaves and every gentle rain, I feel his eternal love that heals all pain. Nature's praise echoes his eternal love in the rhythm of the tides and the stars above. Every blossom and river, every sunset so grand proclaims his everlasting mercy across the land. With every heartbeat and every breath I take, I'm cradled by the grace that nature makes. When the night sky unfolds, adorned with countless stars, I'm reminded of his presence, no distance too far. The moon casts a glow, a beacon in the night, reflecting God's love pure and bright. Every spark in the darkness, every cosmic light illuminates the truth, his love shines ever bright. Nature's praise echoes his eternal love, from the rustling of the trees to the vast skies above. Every heartbeat of the earth, every wonder I see, tells of his unfailing love that sets my spirit free. So I'll walk this path with gratitude and light,